So welcome guys to this video. It's a video about a resort that was expanding, and we built 9 rooms in this one structure, and the 9 rooms were made from precast panels. So I'll be documenting the whole journey of what was happening. So here in the video where you're seeing, these are rectangular hollow sections. They measure 4 by 4 inches, and one tube is 6 meters long. So we were cutting 3.4 meters, as you can see in the video, because the 400 should go into the ground, so it's supported from the ground as the foundation. Remember, this was an existing structure. This is how it looked like before. It was built from timber mostly, and the resort was losing customers because no one wants to stay in a wooden house. So here we were demolishing. This is how the site looked like as we were beginning. There was timber everywhere, trusses. Some places were built with stone. So as you can see in the video, that's how it looked like before. It took us about 1 week to demolish the existing structure. And then here I'm joining some parts of the tube to another part, so we can achieve total length of all tubes as 3.4 meters. So here you use welding. You weld it together, to the small parts to other small parts, so you can get 3.4 meters. See, your girl also knows how to work with her hands, not just designing. And then afterwards, when you drain it using the fire, this is how it looks like before. When you paint it, it's gonna look like nothing. There was no joint at all. It's going to be seamless. So here we have erected the tubes. First, you place each of them on a hole that you have dug, approximately 400 millimeters deep, and then you make some concrete and you erect at the corners and at the middle parts, depending on how your engineer has designed the structure to be like. So here we have erected most of the tubes, and then here is the first day when we erected the first panel. This is how it looks like. Here there is a C channel welded to the tube, so it's strong, and then you arrange them, they link together, so you just make the walls. This process was really fast, took about a week to have all the panels standing and have C channels on the windows and the doors, and at the top to hold the whole structure together like a beam. So in this structure, when you use panels, if you're not going a floor up, you don't need a beam. The C channel is welded to the support tubes, so everything is well tied together. So this is how it looked like, and then we started doing plumbing works. Yeah, they look like that inside, and then there's also the outside part that is the drainage to the septic tank. Here you can see there's some stones that we have used. The panels we had were not enough, and there was some existing stones, machine cut stones at the site, so we used them instead of going back to buy more panels. But those were only used on 2 walls of the room at the front. So when eventually the plan is, when it's all painted, you will not know what the structure is made of. And then the first part where we have used the machine cut stones, we'll just do key. So you can just imagine like the whole structure is made from quarry stones. We are not trying to hide the fact, but it's for the aesthetics. Here roofing had already begun, so I'll be documenting the entire story. This is just part 1. Here we also did a separate cottage, so in total he'll have 10 rooms by the time we are done. Stay tuned for part 2 and can't wait to see how it looks like in the end. Thank you for watching my channel. My name is Beta Gishuru. See you next time.